And if you will, just stay in this space that we've created together, the space of oneness, the space of truth. And we'll gently move into a time of meditation. Bring your attention to your breath. We've joined our breath today. We've breathed in and out as one. Breathing that oneness. Bring your attention to the breath as it's flowing in and out of your nostrils. Notice as you're breathing in, it's just a little bit cool. And as you're breathing out, ever so slightly warmer. Breathing in, cool, and breathing out, warm. Now begin to follow that breath as it moves deeper and deeper within, moving to the very center of your being. Deeper and deeper still. Moving into that secret place of the Most High. This is where you know the very truth of your being. You know you are joy. You are love. And you are peace. In the gentleness of this moment, in the awareness of the truth of your being, we move into a moment of silence. And together, let's take a deep breath in and release. Gently, we bring our attention back to this moment and this time, bringing back with us that awareness of who we are, how we live and move and have our being, and the oneness that we not only created, but nourished in this moment together. And for this truth and so much more, we say thank you, and so it is. Amen.